Hi, Todd Warren here in the Forecast Center with a quick update on the severe weather threat across the Arklatex here for today and for Friday, as we today have this big upper level disturbance which is pushing a cold front into the Arklatex. We already do have a tornado watch that is currently in effect for all of the Arklatex until 8 p.m. this evening, as you can see here, as the Storm Prediction Center does indicate that we do have an enhanced risk, especially for northwest Louisiana and the eastern half of southwest Arkansas, mainly during the latter stages of the afternoon into the early evening hours. As we continue to watch thunderstorms that will continue to wrap up here and develop during the afternoon, instead of showing what's happening now, by the time you watch this probably will be pretty much old. So let me show you what's going to be happening here as we look at the product from the HR model, which takes us out through this event. You can see heading into the afternoon by 3 o'clock, notice these yellows areas here. That's where the model indicates we could begin to see some rotation start to develop with some of the thunderstorms, as we will have to watch the thunderstorms that develop out ahead of the main line, and we'll have to watch the line itself for a few spinners. And you can see that threat will continue as we go into the late stages of the afternoon, shifting to the east of Texarkana by 5 p.m. Should be pretty much wrapping up in Shreveport by 6 o'clock, the way it looks right now. And then you can see moving into the 7 o'clock hour, the threat shifts into the far southeastern sections of the Arklatex. Shreveport by then should be done, and we should, once the thunderstorms end, it appears as if we'll see a rapid clearing take place behind the band of thunderstorms, which will move through. And you can see by 9 o'clock, pretty much all of the area done, and we will see a clearing trend which will again take shape during the nighttime hours tonight. Now, longer range, we're going to be watching another disturbance which is going to be rolling into the region here for Friday. Here's what's on the way for the rest of this evening from Futurecast. You can see the clear sky tonight for the most part. A few clouds over the south. We'll see quite a bit of sunshine with a few clouds mixed in tomorrow. Clouds will increase a bit tomorrow night with a slight chance for a shower. But notice what happens Friday, especially over the northern sections of the area. We'll start to see the thunderstorms fire up over southwest Arkansas, northeast Texas, and another band of thunderstorms firing up by Friday evening to our northwest. That activity is going to slide its way south and eastward, and we will see the possibility for some severe weather again Friday evening especially. Here's Futurecast 9 p.m. You can see that final band moving into the northern sections of the area. It quickly moves through during the nighttime hours Friday night, and that'll set the stage for a pretty nice weekend with above normal temperatures and quite a bit of sunshine. Storm Prediction Center for Friday does indicate that we will see a slight risk, but we do expect to see some orange on this map. Don't be surprised to see this upgraded once we get closer to Friday, and all severe weather threats once again will be on the table for Friday's event. As far as what happens after that, we will see a bit of a break for the most part for the weekend, as I mentioned, and then we will see a longer range. Again, this is today's disturbance. Notice Friday's disturbance coming in behind it and the thunderstorms that erupt. We take a break for the weekend, and then we'll see the possibility with a southwesterly flow setting up over us quite a bit in terms of clouds for much of next week. We'll see a front move through Monday. Not too concerned about severe weather with that front the way it looks right now. And then we'll cool off for most of next week with highs in the 70s and lows falling eventually into the 40s and 50s. So here is how it all looks out as far as your 7-day forecast, as we will see the thunderstorms again Friday. Weekend looks pretty nice. We'll see another chance for some rain, maybe a little bit of thunder for Monday. And then can't totally rule out a continuation of some low-end rainfall chances through the middle part of next week with a bit of an uptick for Wednesday. Notice after we get past Monday, highs will cool into the 70s, lows will cool into the 50s, and by the end of next week, we could see lows in the 40s and highs in the upper 60s to lower 70s across much of the region. So once again, we do have a tornado watch that is in effect for pretty much all of the Arklatex. It is in effect this evening until 8 p.m. as a cluster of thunderstorms will continue to work its way basically from northwest to southeast through the area.